Hello again and welcome to another episode of Weird Origins with Anduin Omari. Today, we explore the origin of the word gold. The English word gold traces back to Old English gold, from Proto-Germanic gulka. This ultimately springs from the Proto-Indo-European root al, or gol, meaning to shine, to gleam, or yellow, green. It's the same ancient root behind yellow. To our distant ancestors, gold wasn't merely a metal, it was simply the shining thing, the bright one that captured and held light like nothing else. But here's the cosmic twist that feels almost poetic. While humans named it for its brilliant shine, the gold atoms themselves were forged in events of unimaginable violence billions of years before our solar system existed. Gold cannot form in ordinary stars. Creating it requires the extreme conditions found in neutron star collisions or certain supernova explosions. In those cataclysmic moments, the rapid neutron capture process slams neutrons into atomic nuclei at astonishing speeds, building the heaviest elements. Those ancient cosmic explosions scattered gold atoms across space long before our sun and planets formed, 4.6 billion years ago. Some of that primordial matter eventually mixed into the nebula that became our solar system. The gold in your ring, or a vault, is literally debris from violent events that predated our entire solar system, remnants of cosmic catastrophes whose matter helped seed the planets. Humans have chased this remarkable metal for over 6,000 years, too soft for everyday tools or weapons, and chemically inert. It has still shaped civilizations through its beauty, rarity, and unique properties. It appears in everything from ancient royal treasures to modern technology, where its unmatched conductivity and corrosion resistance make it essential in electronics, spacecraft, and advanced applications. Alchemists tried for centuries to manufacture it from other substances. Modern physics has finally succeeded in tiny amounts by nuclear transmutation, but the process costs far more than the gold produced is worth. The shining stuff remains stubbornly special. Interesting fact: a single neutron star collision can produce more gold than exists in all of Earth's oceans combined. We fight over fragments of those rare ancient celestial events. So the next time you see gold gleaming in jewelry, a medal, or a bar in a vault, remember, its name has always meant the shining one. But the metal itself is far older than our world, born in explosive cosmic events that happened eons before our solar system began. In a universe of constant change, this soft, yellow relic stays incorruptible, quietly shining on as a reminder of the universe's violent origins. This was Anduin Omari. Thank you for joining me. See you next time on Weird Origins.
Thank you for joining me. Until next time.